Hisense U6g. Should you be looking for something on a budget, the Hisense U6g is the best low-cost smart TV we have tested. It's a great all-around TV that offers versatile performance whether you like to watch movies or sports. It comes with Android TV built-in, so you have a massive selection of apps right at your fingertips. The remote has a mic for voice control and it gives you access to both Google Assistant and Alexa. So you can use it to control other compatible devices like the Hisense U6g. It has great overall picture quality with a high native contrast ratio for deep blacks, a decent local dimming feature that improves it, and high peak brightness if you need to use it in a well-lit room. Some people find that Android TV isn't the easiest to use, but navigating through menus feels smooth. If you are not a fan of Android TV, the TCL5 series S535202 uled has built-in Roku TV, which is a more user-friendly smart platform. However, it's not as good as the Hisense, so if you want the best performance on a budget, stick with that. The Hisense U6g is 4K resolution TV and it has size variants of 50-inch, 55-inch, 65-inch and 75-inch. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it to your friends and keep watching Best Buy for your day-to-day top-notch commodities.